3, 2, 1, youth class. Coming in hot into turn 1. Let's see how this turns out. They disappear on the backside. Down the back stretch into turn 2. 15D looking to hold on to be your leader after 1. She's gonna, oh, carnage right here in front. Connor Mishley gonna scoot up front in the 88. 412 Zachary Moldenhauer in hot pursuit in the red, white, and blue. Kenzie Evans in the 22 representing the ladies team. She's keeping up with the fellas. She's running a Chevy Malibu hatchback in the all black. Mishley still battling to keep that lead down the backstretch. Moldenhauer gets hung up on the 15D. 15D stationary. Kenzie Evans in the 22 slides into the second place. She's going to do a bank shot off the front wall. All right, the nerves have settled down a little bit. Our drivers are dialing in, trying to find a line. Had an obstacle on the backstretch, going to be mixing some things up. Kenzie, red flag, red flag, red flag, red flag drivers. Nice job. We're gonna take that driver off the track. Her car is stationary, so we just keep her safe. We're gonna get her out of that spot. We don't like when that gets exposed like that. So in the name of safety, we're gonna pull her off. Green flag will take us back once everybody is ready to go. Looks like our drivers are set. Checking with our flagmen. Flagmen are set. Here we go. Good idea. Hopefully she'll be back out. And with 3 drivers still rolling, we're just looking to see how it pans out. Who's going to land in which spot. Green flag is still on the track. Here comes the white flag. 1 lap to go for 88. Connor Mishley, 15-year-old driver behind the wheel. Here's Zachary Moldenhauer in the 412. Last but not least, headed down the backstretch, the 22 at Kenzie Evans. Young driver, representing the ladies team well. She's going to come through and grab a white flag. There's the checkered for Connor. Connor Mishley taking the checkered flag. Second place is going to go to Zachary Moldenhauer in the 412. And Kenzie Evans going to circle around out of turn 2 and grab the 3rd place spot.